Today we are going to start chapter 5 Language of Chemistry. For this chapter, in order to study easily and to understand easily only, we started learning the symbols from June month onwards. That is 40 elements, symbol, full name, valency, 34 radicals, symbol, full name and valency, and other 26 chemical compounds which we cannot derive the formula by means of the rule that what we studied. If you studied all these three things, this chapter is very easy. In this textbook, there are certain points which are not explained. That I'll give you as the notes and that you should study. Then only we can write easily the chemical equations. First point, chemical reactions. A chemical reaction is a process in which a substance or substances undergoes a change to produce a new substance or substances having new properties. The substance that take part in a chemical reaction is known as reactant. The new substance formed in a chemical reaction is called a product. Let us understand this with the help of an activity. Magnesium reacts with oxygen in presence of air to produce magnesium oxide. This can be written as magnesium plus oxygen, which are the reactants, because magnesium and oxygen are going to react and produces magnesium oxide, that is the product. The activity mentioned will give you a clear idea about the chemical reaction. We are talking about the chemical reaction. Activity 1. Aim to understand the reactants and products in a chemical reaction. To make you understand these two terms, for that only this activity is given. Materials required: a magnesium ribbon, a sandpaper, a pair of tongs, a burner, a test tube, a dropper, and blue and red litmus papers. If we are in school, we could have easily shown this experiment. Therefore, when you are all coming to school, when we get time, can easily show you this experiment, because there are reagents, chemical reagents and all required. Procedure: take a magnesium ribbon and clean it with a sandpaper. Observe its color. It will be shining like silver. Then hold it with a pair of tongs. Tongs means just like to hold things. Then and heat it on a burner. Note your observation. Then let the magnesium ribbon burn completely. Collect the substance formed. When it burns, you will get a white powder just like ash. And observe its color. Its color will be white in color. Can you change the ash formed back into magnesium ribbon? Whatever the effort that you make, you can never change this powder into magnesium ribbon that we initially taken, that is silvery white metal. Do you think a new substance has been formed by burning a magnesium ribbon? Of course, we burned magnesium, but what we got is magnesium oxide, a new product. Now take a test tube and add the powdery ash into it. That means take a test tube, put this powder into it. Add a little water to the test tube and shake well. Put a drop of this solution on blue and red litmus paper. Blue and red litmus paper shows color differences of the acids and alkalis. That means if blue litmus is shown and one drop of the solution is put it on the blue litmus. If it turns red, it is an acid. But you take a red litmus paper, put one drop of water and then put this solution. If it turns blue, means it is alkaline. If there is no change in blue and red, that means it is neutral. These are the tests. Therefore, what we get, not the color change. That means the blue color, if you add that solution from the test tube, no change will occur. But if you take that red one and put this solution, it immediately changes to blue color. That means not the color change, means red litmus changes into blue, showing that it is an alkaline solution or it is a base. Observation. Magnesium ribbon burns with a dazzling white flame. On burning completely, it forms powdery ash. The powdery ash so formed is not the same as magnesium ribbon. It is a new product. It is not magnesium ribbon. Conclusion. The powdery ash is magnesium oxide, a new product. A change has occurred on burning magnesium ribbon, which can be represented as follows. That is, magnesium reacts with oxygen, and that both are reactants. Magnesium is a reactant, oxygen is a reactant. If there are more than one reactant, you put a plus sign. That is reactants, and gives magnesium oxide, the product. This we can convert it into the form of a chemical equation using the symbol and the formula of the compound.